In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a Revit family with a type catalog. If you've ever opened a family and been overwhelmed by dozens or even hundreds of variations, a type catalog is your best friend. It's a simple text file that sits alongside the family and tells Revit what sizes or options are available so you can load only what you need. This keeps your model lean and speeds up your workflow. Start in your Revit project with the model open. Head to the Insert tab along the top ribbon and click Load Family. This is the command that lets you bring external families into your project. In the file browser, navigate to the folder that contains your family. Select the .rfa file you want to load, then click Open. That's all you need to do to trigger the catalog. When the family has a matching type catalog, Revit will automatically detect the txt file that lives in the same folder and shares the same base name as the .rfa. The moment you click Open, Revit will pop up a dialog listing all available types defined in that catalog. You'll see the family variations laid out for you, typically with names and parameter data like sizes or materials, depending on how the catalog was authored. From here, you can review the list and choose exactly which types to bring into your project. This is the key advantage of using a catalog. You're not loading every possible variation, just the ones you plan to use. After you confirm your selection in the dialog, Revit finishes the load and those types become available in your type selector the next time you place the family. If the dialog doesn't appear and the family loads immediately, that usually means Revit didn't find a valid type catalog. Double check that the txt file is in the same folder as the .rfa, that they share the exact same base name, and that the text file isn't open in another program. Also confirm the file isn't renamed or hidden by your operating system's extensions. Once those are correct, try the load again, and the catalog dialog should appear as expected. That's all there is to it. Go to Insert, choose Load Family, select the .rfa, and click Open to let Revit detect the text and display the catalog. Using type catalogs this way helps you keep projects clean, reduces file size, and makes type management far more efficient.